What's up, guys? It's Monster Burger 2.0, and today we're going to be looking at some of these 3D prints that I printed. And so now let's get into the video. Okay, guys, now we're going to be looking at the prints that I've made. So the first one is this dragon, and it's like for a phone. So I could get the phone, and then you see like this slot thingy. You get that, and then you place it right there. And yeah. So that's the first one, and then the second one is going to be the snail. I mean, no, it's actually this bulldog. So the second one I got is this bulldog. So yeah, and he has like some axis stuff at the bottom, but it's okay, you can barely see it. So the next one is the snail. Another one that you can like put your phone in right there. And I have two of them. So, and if you want, you could just put both of them next to each other, but not too close, like kind of an inch far away from each other. And you can put your phone in like that, and then yeah. Then the next one that I got was this wolf. Is sitting down with his tail in front, and he has ears, of course, because he's a wolf. Yeah, that's the wolf. Then the next one I got is this hippo. So here's the hippo. And yeah, it's another one of those things where you can put the phone in. So yeah. Oh, and also what the other two is that I didn't point out is that on the back of each one it has a hole where you can put like a string or thread to make like a necklace or bracelet. And yeah, then the last one that I got, it's my personal favorite. It's this Bowser, and it has this pointy shell. Oh, this Bowser, and he has like these, like those rock band things with like the point things, and yeah. So okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, tell your friends and family, and I'll see you next time. Bye.